So, good morning. This is Samundishwari from the Department of English. In this lecture video, we are going to see the topic cause and effect. And this topic is one of my favorite topic too because this topic is very easy to understand as well as you can able to understand items to use in technical writing. Everyone knows that being an engineer, technical writing plays an important role, so every individual should know how to write this topic in an effective way. To discuss this topic, we must know the definition for this first of all. So first of all, what is known as cause and what is known as effect? So usually a cause will be the reason for something to happen. Similar way, an effect will be the outcome of the cause. So this is in this way you can define the topic. This is what we are going to do in a topic. For instance, you might be given with two separate sentences and we have to use suitable expressions. Note it down, and this is known as cause and effect expressions. These expressions will show the connectivity between the two given sentences. So in this picture you have two images. So in the first image you can able to see a girl is watering the plant, and in another picture you can able to see some flowers are blossom. So while you are connecting it as a sentence, outcome of watering the plant, now we yielded the flowers. So that's what we have seen in the part of definition. So what are all the signal words can be used to show the relationship of the cause and effect? In the sense, words such as because, since, as, therefore, consequently, due to, hence, owing to. So these are all the words can be used to connect a sentence. So next we are going to see about these expressions part, and also where we have to supposed to use these expressions, because you can't use these expressions as you feel. Okay, this is the right place to mention the term because of. You are not supposed to use it actually. Instead of that, if you want to use the signal words since and as in the sense, you have to use these two terms in the beginning of a sentence alone. Suppose I want to mention expressions such as a result, therefore, consequently, hence, due to, and all, you can use to use only in the middle part of a sentence, which means that because of this cause this result has happened. In some part, if you want to use expressions such as because and because of in the sense, where you have to use the effect first. Because of this effect has happened because of this cause. So if you misplace these expressions in different places, in the sense it conveyed wrong meaning and which will not support the meaning of a sentence. So next we are going to see few examples that will help you to understand this topic in a better way. So here I have given two images, so there you can able to see two sentences are also given. One is, I worked really hard in school, I graduated. So here I have and one more thing here I want to tell you that for writing cause and effect expressions, you can able to make two to three answers, because if you are using the expressions to write down answer in the sense, that will be accepted too. So here I have given two answers such as, since I worked really hard in school, I graduated. In the sense, I started working really hard in my school time, so I graduated successfully. Suppose if you want to talk about the expressions like outcome first, in the sense, I graduated because I worked really hard in school. So in this way you can make a sentence of your own. So next we are going to see the another example. So here you can able to see two images. It was raining, there was a rainbow. So in this sentence we are going to connect expressions such as a result, therefore, consequently, and all. So just look at the answers below. It was raining, as a result there was a rainbow. As I told you already, if you want to use an expression such as effect first in the sense, you can go with that effect first. There was a rainbow because it was raining. Or else if you want to use expressions such as since in the sense, since it was raining, there was a rainbow. So we'll see another example. Here is the small assessment. This is also part of this cause and effect expression, such as column A and column B. So you are going to connect a column A with column B. So to sort out this, first you must able to identify the meaning of each sentence. So meaning of each sentence in the sense, a cause must be connected with its effect in an effective way. If you mismatch the answer, that is cause with the effect in the sense, that is not considered as the right one. So here you can have a sentence, dash Lydia skipped breakfast, in the sense, so you have to find out she was hungry at lunch. So this might go together. So how you are going to connect it? She was hungry at lunch because Lydia skipped breakfast. Or else you can go with, since Lydia skipped breakfast, she was hungry at lunch. So in this way you can find the correct pair of cause with its effect and make it as a meaningful sentence by using the suitable cause and effect expressions. So next we are going to see another example by using some other terms, such as the child is hungry, the child wants to eat an apple. So in this sentence the cause is clear as well as the effect is also clear. So as I told you, just remember it. If you want to state the effect first in the sense, use it first. So the child wants to eat an apple because the child is hungry. Or else if you go with the flow of a sentence as it is given, the child is hungry, so the child wants to eat an apple. So here I have another sentence. So like I have given with lot of examples to understand the topic in a better way. The sun was hot, my ice cream melted. Even you can see the connectivity of this sentence with the picture also. So since the sun was hot, my ice cream melted. My ice cream melted because the sun was hot. Or else the sun was hot, consequently my ice cream melted. So here we have another assessment to check your ability of understanding, which is related to the topic actually. So here what we are going to do, this is comparatively new form of understanding the topic cause and effect. Earlier you have matched the cause with its effect, and here it is you are going to identify the cause of a sentence. You have to identify the cause and effect of the sentence. So just underline the cause. You can mark it up with the letter C. Similar way you can underline the effect by marking it with the letter E. By identifying this you can able to get clarify with, so this will be the cause to happening something, or else this might be the reason to happening like that. So in this way if you practice this topic, it will help you to understand it in a better way. Thank you.